heavenly, illustrious, laughter-loving queen. Sea-born, night-loving, of an awful mien. Crafty, from whom necessity first came. Producing, nightly, all-connecting dame. 'Tis thine the world with harmony to join. For all things spring from thee, O power divine. The triple fates are ruled by thy decree, and all productions yield alike to thee. Whatever the heavens, encircling all contain, earth fruit producing, and the stormy main, thy sway confesses, and obeys thy nod. Awful attendant of the brumal god, goddess of marriage, charming to the sight, mother of loves, whom banquetings delight, source of persuasion, secret, favoring queen, illustrious born, apparent and unseen, spousal, reciprocal, and to men inclined, prolific, most desired, life-giving, kind, great scepter-bearer of the gods, 'tis thine. Mortals in necessary bands to join, and every tribe of savage monsters dire, in magic chains to bind, through mad desire. Come, Cypress-born, and to my prayer incline. Whether exalted in the heavens you shine, or pleased in Sirius' temple to preside, or o'er the Egyptian plains thy car to guide, fashioned of gold, and near its sacred flood, fertile and famed to fix thy blessed abode, or if rejoicing in the azure shores, near where the sea with foaming billows roars, the circling choirs of mortals, thy delight, or beauteous nymphs, with eyes cerulean bright, pleased by the dusty banks renowned of old, to drive thy rapid, two-yoked car of gold, or if in Cyprus with thy mother fair, where married females praise thee every year, and beauteous virgins in the chorus join, Adonis pure to sing and the divine. Come, all attractive to my prayer inclined. For thee, I call, with holy, reverent mind.